Iceland's best-known historical landmarks. Iceland may be a wonderful vacation spot for history buffs as well as environment enthusiasts. Sites that have been there for a long time and are well known for their historical significance may be found all over the world. 1. Ingvellir National Park is a popular tourist destination. It's no surprise that Ingvellir is on the UNESCO World Heritage list. Icelanders have been congregating here since 930 AD, and it served as a public assembly site for the Icelandic Parliament until the 18th century. It became a sacred site for Icelandic poets and has been used for national holidays ever since. The Rift Valley where the Parliament was held is said to have been created 10,000 years ago. 2. Waterfall at Godarvos Falls. The stunning waterfall may be seen in Iceland's northern region. Known for its breathtaking vistas, this large river waterfall is a local favorite. 4. As if that wasn't bad enough, a law speaker in Iceland during the time of its conversion to Christianity dumped sculptures of the Norse gods into the river Godafod. 3. Gásir. Located around 11 kilometers from Akureyri, this settlement served as a significant medieval commercial center. Local artisans recreate a medieval market and offer handcrafted goods throughout July, making this a great time to visit. In the 16th century, archaeologists think that the location was a bustling commerce hub. 4. Orlíkstaðir. The location's terrible fame stems from a large fight that erupted here in the 12th century between Iceland's most powerful clans. It was a component of the ongoing civil war in the nation. Icelandic literature makes several references to the location. It is situated in Iceland's west. 5. Stykkishólmur. 400 years ago, a place known for its role in the trade of goods was established there. Apart from that, Stykkishólmur has the country's and maybe the world's oldest meteorological station. The station has been in operation since 1845, and the present occupants are the local folk museum. The region is characterized by a number of historic homes, which lends it a unique character. 6. Gufuskala. According to legend, some of the fishermen's cabins in the area date back 700 years. After being abandoned in 1948, the site still has some remains and rails left behind. The Irish camps remains, which date from the 9th or 10th century, are located nearby.